Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to break down a hidden cost that's probably draining your energy and, killing your best work. It's the high cost of rushing. We're going to dig into why being busy is absolutely not the same thing as being productive and how you can unlock this power of calm, focused success.
Let's just start with this idea, because it really gets to the core of it all. This idea that our constant need for speed, it isn't really about being efficient. A lot of the time, it's just a mask for insecurity. And that one thought just totally flips the whole hustle culture narrative on its head. It says true productivity, well, it's not about being frantic. It's about moving with this unhurried clarity.
And this leads to a really honest question we all have to ask ourselves. Are we actually making real progress? Or are we just, moving the mouse fast? It's such a crucial distinction, because if you mistake motion for achievement, you are on the fast track to burning out while basically standing still. So, this obsession with appearing busy. It comes with this hidden penalty, a cost that so many of us are paying every single day and we don't even realize it. It's called the hurry tax. Okay, so what is this tax? Think of it as the invisible price tag on rushing. It's all the time you spend fixing sloppy mistakes. It's that mental fog that just rolls in around mid-afternoon. And maybe the worst part of all? It's the lost opportunity. The great work you could have been doing if you weren't just reacting to emails and notifications all day. And listen, this isn't just some abstract theory. The hurry tax is real. Take this founder's story, for example. He was putting in more hours than ever before, but his most important goals, the real needle movers, they weren't going anywhere. He was just trapped in this cycle of reaction, starting his day in a flat-out sprint, only to find that his brain was completely fried by 2 p.m. And at the end of the day, nothing of real value had been created. So, if the problem is this hurry tax, what's the solution? Well, the antidote is all about fundamentally changing how we start our day. It's a really powerful concept called the low-velocity start.
It's a pretty simple 3-step process to basically trade all that chaos for control. So step 1, create space. That means you intentionally block out the noise and that urge to just dive right into your inbox. Step 2, define one objective. Seriously, not 3, not 5, just one single high-impact task. And then step 3, execute. You do that one task with a steady, unhurried clarity.
Now, I know it sounds a little backward, right? Slow down to get more done, but it really works. The source material tells this story of a student who was always racing to clear his plate, but he was just making constant mistakes. So he switched to a low-velocity start, and boom! He finished his main task by noon without that usual mental exhaustion. It just proves that when you stop rushing, the important work often gets done faster, and it always gets done better.
And you really need to get this. This isn't just another productivity hack. This is a fundamental shift in your entire operating system. We're talking about a total transformation, from that chaotic hustle to deliberate, calm precision.
I mean, just look at the difference here. It's night and day, isn't it? On one side, you've got the mouse-moving hustle. It's reactionary, it's distracted, it's totally exhausting. And on the other side, precision execution. That's deliberate, focused, calm, and actually sustainable. This is the real difference between just being busy and being truly effective.
This quote just nails it. One move made with total, absolute clarity is worth 10 moves you make in a complete panic. It's not about how many things you do. It's about the precision of the one move that actually matters.
So, okay, how does this actually give you an advantage in the real world? Well, think about it. In a world that is completely addicted to panic and chaos, your ability to operate with precision, that becomes your superpower.
If you remember just one thing from all this, let it be this mantra. While everyone else is running around, frantically putting out fires, the person who moves with calm clarity, that's the person who wins. Because precision always beats power, and calm always beats chaos.
So if you're ready to stop paying that hurry tax, if you're ready to make that shift from being a frantic founder to a precision operator, you can learn a lot more at 365freedom.online.
And we'll leave you with this final thought to chew on. The world, it seems to reward fast. But you know what? At the end of the day, the bank rewards correct. So as you go about your work today, just ask yourself, which one are you optimizing for? Are you optimizing for speed, or are you optimizing for results?